The little trees to the mantle. I found a little red candle, added that for some color. My wreath has still not been added. My wreath still has not been hung up. I have to go get the hooks. And then if you look really close in the fireplace, you'll see my red mixing bowl is still in there. I don't think I'm ever going to use it again. Okay, so here's the before. And then we're going to put my tree there in the corner, and the couch will go long ways this way, facing the tree. The fireplace is back there. I brought out all our decorations. We're just going to make do with this room. I know it's not finished, but we'll make it work. I wanted to show you where we are with the living room and the progress. We're not far at all, maybe 10%, but I really feel like I wanted to bring some Christmas decoration in here just to continue, you know, the theme and make it a little bit more joyful. That's where we are with the living room. That's the fireplace wall. I don't know what we're going to do with it yet. And then looking at it from the angle of the fireplace wall, this is how we are proceeding, or progressing, I should say. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the light. This room gets a lot of great southern exposure all day. So there's no doubt we're going to really enjoy this room when it's finished. This window here gets our southern light, and then this window here gets our eastern, our sunrise. I know the walls look kind of interesting right now. We pulled the wallpaper. It's not treated at all. This is basically the result of wallpaper residue that I still have to work on. But you know what? I'm going to use it to my advantage. I'm going to use it to create a sort of rustic, homey, cheerful Christmas room if I can. I'm going to try it. Okay, so I tried to angle my camera, and I hope you can see this. And again, I just learned this, so I'm going to try it. But basically what I learned is you want to do like a star method on each of the branches. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to start pulling these down, because obviously these are put away, squished up. So I'm going to pull these down the best I can. So we're going to start here. We're just going to pull these down as much as I can. Like I said, I bought this tree. I don't even know the brand. I think we had the box for several years. I think we just got rid of it recently. In the last couple of years, we got rid of the box. So I don't know the brand. It's not like a realistic kind of tree, but it's decent, I think. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. Let me raise up my camera a bit. Okay, so I've started up here on the top, and I've just been pulling down the top part, opening up the top, and really just pulling everything down. I wonder if this tree is giving off some really cool ASMR for you. I hope so. I like it. Okay, I think the top part is opened pretty well. I think I could probably do a little bit more work up there, but it's off camera now, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I want you to see what I'm gonna do with these lower branches. So I'm gonna take this one for example. I'm gonna pull it kind of like a star. I'm just gonna keep pulling. This is what I learned recently. You just keep pulling. I think that'll work. I'm gonna try and keep it so that it's out, like a star coming out at you. So let's try another one. Okay, so I have to say, I've never seen my tree look this full before. I kind of used to just take it out of the bag, put it together, kind of open it up a little bit and just hope for the best. But today, spending an extra few minutes pulling the branches out, kind of like the star, and really opening them up, kind of gave it a little bit more of a natural growth appearance, like a tree. So now I'm going to get started decorating. I got the lights on. Pay close attention to where you put these. I have to do the whole thing all over again. I left myself with an innie, not an outie. So I'm going to do it all over again. I'm not even going to bother filming it. I'm just going to fix this. I'm going to start at the top here, work my way down. Oh, I'm sorry. No, take that back. That's what I did. That's what I did. I started at the top. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to plug this in and work my way up so I know I've got all of the right connections. So that's my tip of the day. I don't normally plug in the lights when I put them on, but today I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to work my way from the bottom to the top. I'll be right back. Okay, I finished the lights. I finished stringing the lights, but I feel like it's a little bare. I'm obsessed with Christmas lights, and so for me, I feel like I need more. I don't know what you think, but I feel like I need more. And I don't know if I have any more. I think I have 4 strands of lights here. Maybe I didn't arrange them the way I should have, but I think what I'll do is where I find some spots that are not well lit, like I found some bulbs that are out, I think I have some replacement little fuses, but what I can do is that's where I'll put the ornaments. I'm going to use, this year, the theme is going to be birdhouses. So I'm going to put birdhouses in the tree, and then I don't think I have a topper. I think my star broke, so I might put the snowman as my topper, and then the birdhouses, and then I might add some bells. I have some red bells. I think I got these at, it might have been Dollar Tree, it might have been Big Lots, I don't know. But I might put bells. For sure we're gonna do the birdhouses. So I'll put this on last, and then I'll just do birdhouses. Let's see where they go, where I can put them. Oh, this wasn't even spread out the way it should have been, so let's pick another branch. find another birdhouse. And I don't know if you can see it, but I actually put it here on top. So that is my topper, the big birdhouse. And then all the little ones. And then, like I said, I still have this snowflake. So the snowflake can just kind of sit anywhere, really. It's just decorative, whatever. And then the snowman. And then I think I might have a few more I want to add, but I like this snowman, so I'm going to find a spot for him. And then, or her, whatever. Could be a girl, I don't know. I'll put her here, right? I'll put the snow person right there. Okay, I couldn't leave it that bare. So I found the antique ornaments that I painted last year in that antique finish. I found some of these smaller Christmas balls, the larger ones, in a matte red to kind of complement with the red jingle bells. I added those. I think it looks pretty good. So it's mostly red, antique-ish, kind of rustic. I might add still some more if I find more.